Welcome to our Whey Protein Supplement Showcase. Today, we'll explore the top whey protein products available on Amazon. Discover how these high-quality supplements can boost your muscle growth, recovery, and overall health. Let's dive in. This hydrolyzed whey protein isolate offers fast digestion and absorption, making it perfect for post-workout recovery. It provides equal grams of protein per serving and is known for its excellent taste and mixability. Made from picked-grassed whey isolate, this protein powder is non-GMO and free from hormones, antibiotics, and artificial sweeteners. It's ideal for those looking for a high-quality, natural protein supplement. With only 3 ingredients, whey concentrate, coconut sugar, and cocoa powder, this whey protein is sourced from grass-fed cows and is free from growth hormones. It's a great choice for those looking for a simple, clean protein supplement. Known for its high-quality protein blend, this whey protein contains 6 grams of protein per serving and overall grams of excess. It's Informed Choice certified, ensuring it's free from banned substances, making it ideal for athletes. This product is made from grassed, hormone-free cows and offers 6 grams of protein per serving with no artificial sweeteners, colors, or preservatives. It's third-party tested for purity and quality, making it a top choice for those seeking a clean, effective whey protein.